Hey guys, Pretty Kitty Gaming here. Yeah. um, so I have Heartbound recorded and it's edited and it's ready to go, ready to be uploaded. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna upload Heartbound. I'm so sorry that it's taken this long, but I had some difficulties getting it out of, or well, off of my computer, basically. But I got it off, I got it edited, it's ready to go up, so that's gonna go up really soon. Now for some bad news. And I'm smiling when I say this, but it actually is very hard for me to say this. I can't do YouTube anymore right now. Like, I am not quitting. I'm going to continue doing it, just not at the moment. I'm going on a break, basically. There will be possible occasional uploads, maybe on Saturdays now, and they might be once or twice a month if I'm able to manage that. A lot of things happened last semester at my school. The majority of the things that happened that were bad were my fault. I'm not even gonna say kinda. They were. I screwed up, and I'm admitting that, and I'm doing everything that I can to fix it. But that is the purpose of this vlog, was to let you guys know why there will be no videos going up. Also on Heartbound, that me doesn't know that I can't do YouTube, so, because this is a later video, that was an earlier one that had been recorded and had issues coming off of my computer. Now it's off, now it's edited, and it's gonna go up. It's probably gonna go up right after this video goes up. So, actually, there. But I'm hoping the few of you that are here as of right now will continue to stay. But anyways, so that is the purpose of this vlog. I thank you guys for watching it. Thank you guys for watching me. I'm really hoping you'll stick out with me. Love you. Bye.